Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix X, formerly Twitter, you've exceed limit, you've come to the right place. So if you encounter the you've exceed limit message on X, formerly Twitter, it typically means that you've hit one of the platform limits for actions like tweets, follows, or direct messages. Here's how to address and fix this issue. So for example, if you have the limitation, it means that you do something too much. So for example, too much likes, too much comments, too much messages or posts. So just the main way to solve it, just wait it out. Time-based limits, often limits are after 24 hours, and if you reach a limit you may need to just wait a little bit. Also, you need to understand the limit. So for example, for tweets you can post maximum 200 tweets per day. Follow limits, as I know you don't have follow limits, but if you do it too quickly, X can think that you're a bot, not a person, and it will limit you for 24 hours. And also for direct messages, there is no limits for followers. So if you follow and the person follows you, if you message with each other, it won't be limited. But if you write for someone who don't know you, and if you spam them, you also will be limited. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.